In the last 8 to 10 years of my life, I have been building, refurbishing, working on property and construction developments. This has grown my portfolio of assets. This has allowed me to create enough revenue to create interest from other people's money and also from asset realization by buying and selling properties and making the money from them and investing it back into more property. As time has progressed, this has created a massive portfolio. Now I will show you some of the buildings that I have and the reasons behind them. I bought this property for £74,000, my own money, not with the mortgage. I am doing it up and I'm spending about £25,000 on the property, turning it into beautiful 4-star, 5-star rental accommodation, and I'll be renting this for £650 per month. I bought this property for £64,000 in cash, my own money, no banks, no mortgages, no remortgages. I intend to do £25,000 of restoration work with this property, and I'm going to rent this property for about £650 per month. I own this property. I bought it for £50,000 in cash. It was rejected by so many people. It was a churchyard. I'm going to spend nearly £700,000 on this property, and I'm going to turn it into £1 million pad in which I'm going to either rent for about £2,500 a month, or I'm going to sell it for £1.2 million. And I own this, and I'm restoring the entire project. Built this, and now I'm renting this for £400 a month. I'm currently building this, and I intend to rent this for £1,200 a month. I bought this property for £50,000 and I'm building a nice new house on it, and I will be renting this property out for £900 a month. This is one of the properties that I self-build for rental. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you. A lot of you are not subscribed to my channel. You're getting the beauty of watching my videos, but I do need your subscriptions. Please like, subscribe, and always click the alert button. I own this property. This is one of my first of my portfolio that I bought. Bought it for £121,000 plus repair fees, solicitor fees and taxation. I rent it now for £750 a month with rates or council tax paid. I own this property. I bought this for cash for £127,000 plus fees plus taxes, and I rent this out for £800 per month to a family who want to live there long term. I bought this property for £137,000 in cash. This property itself doesn't have any mortgages. I owe nothing to nobody, and it creates a rent revenue of £800 per month. It's about to be rented to a new client this week. A lot of you will say, oh, this is not the 90s, or there's some reason why I'm more successful than anyone else. That isn't the case. There are lots of people like me, and you could be one of these people too. What I don't understand is that you sit on your chair watching me and then hating me for getting up off my ass. How about you do the same as me? Follow the rules that I'm giving you, follow my 10-10 strategy, and you will be successful. You will be like me, and you will have the money that you need. The end.